feel like someone's watching me.
I know you send me, darling, you send me. I know you send me, darling, you.
So I was invited to Loma to go speak to the oral surgery residents. I think what would be really cool is if I got this little talk in a 360 cam, so I'm running to the office to grab it real quick.
Send me, darling, you send me. I know you do. Send me. I know you do.
It's kind of late, so we gotta run.
I know you do.
You're too slow, dude.
I know you do. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
So I was invited by the Loma oral maxillofacial surgery residents to go give a talk on the all-on-X procedure. So that's where I'm going right now. We're running super late, so just trying to do this on the fly. I rushed out of the house so fast I forgot my lunch. Damn it.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
No baby stroller for me today. Now these are surgery residents that I'm going to be talking to, and I'm not a surgeon, I'm a prosthodontist. So I hope I can bring these guys some value.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be.
Alright, so a few of you guys asked me about work-life balance, and so this is a topic that's like super important to me. Alright, so basically my take on it, I can give you a couple ideas about it. So I basically deprioritize everything except for business and family. So I don't go play poker with the boys, I don't play video games, I don't do nothing, just straight business and family. The way that I see it, if I put in the work now, it's gonna pay in dividends later in like all the years to come. So I gotta like front load all my work right now. So the way I see it, we all go through different phases in our life, and when we're in our 20s and our 30s, I think that's the phase where you just put in as much work as you can, so that way later you're basically getting dividends from all that work that you put in early. So you got to front load all that work. Now here's the rub. Your children are only babies once, and so if you miss it, you're going to regret it for the rest of your life. All right, and the second thing is that I try to work on things that bring me dividends for years to come. So rather than just trading time for money, I try to work on things that will actually bring me value over time. But in dentistry, this is almost like the reverse is almost true. You do a service and then you're tied to that patient for a really long time. So it's really hard to build in this kind of like value added over time. Instead, you're actually adding stress over time. The way I see it, life is all about allocation of scarce resources, and your most scarce resource is your time. So I try never to do anything that I don't want to do or that I don't like to do. Like seriously, I don't pay my parking tickets, I don't renew the tags on my car. In dental school, I didn't worry about my requirements. I never worry about any of these things, and it's worked out so far. Works for me, but you know, might not work for everybody, but it works for me. Just about to go start my talk right now. I hope I can add some sort of value.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you.
All right, guys, say what's up for the vlog. How'd I do? I do okay? All right, guys. I just finished my talk out here at Loma Linda. Brian here says it went pretty good.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Nobody fell asleep, so that's always my criteria. We're going out to get happy hour. Okay, cheers if you want it. All right, cheers. Thanks, guys. Thanks for inviting Brian. You're awesome.
You're kidding.
Bro, you're not gonna share that with me? Are you joking?
Darling,
That's a whole slice.
You said you're just gonna share one. Oh my gosh,
darling,
I'm rolling with Alvin. This guy never keeps us on time, so we're late again. Luckily, we're driving with Brian. He's gonna speed there.
I don't know too much about podiatry. I haven't looked into it.
darling, send me, I know, send me, darling.
On our flight now, going back to Sacramento. It's like 9:30 at night now. I think it went really well. I hope it was well received by the residents. Hope I delivered something of value. Had a great time, met some cool people, and now it's time to go back home.